Okay, we're going to be opening the Pokemon Limited Edition DS so you can get an idea on what it's all about. It comes in a box, looks like an extra carrying case, DVD, etc. We're going to get the heat gun going so we can preserve the box here because it's really hard to open. There's a lot of glue on it. I'm going to hand it over to Nick here. You want to record? Okay. Antonio, grab the heat gun and I'll start priming it. Gotta get that real hot. That glue is really on there. Okay, hold the heat gun. Okay, kind of smell it melting. I'm just going to use this to pry. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, just hold it right there. I'll guide it. There she goes. Alright. Okay. Just focus on the DS here next. Now, what do we got inside? Alright. Whoa. Oh my, all sorts of fun stuff. Looks like the DS in a white box. No decals. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Explorers of Time and Darkness Special Animated. Looks like a DVD for the DVD video there. A little ad. Ooh.
Grow by eye of that Pokemon.
Kinda neat. What do we got here? A carrying case? With some, maybe some decals in there or something. If you want to open that up, go ahead. Alright. Next, we're going to open up the system, see what's in there. Oh. Okay. Alright. Okay, you got your manuals, standard stuff, chargers, sand, extra pen, black pen, and the DS system. Alright, nice black and shiny. It's black and shiny. Not a matte matted finish. Alright, let's get it under the light here. Looks good. Hopefully you can get an... Can you move that, please? Can you move this, please? Try to get a nice shot there. There we go. Looks very slick. The gold's kind of has a little glitter, so does the silver. Alright. Let's open it up. Turn it on. Screens are very bright. Setup. There you have it. Let's look at that case quick. Cool. Nice carrying case. Not a bad deal for 130 bucks. Might as well go this route than getting the plain one. They are limited, so I'm sure they're going to get scooped up quick. That's it. Thank you.